Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. Today, on this special AFO, we celebrate the blessings and abundance in our lives. You are highly blessed and empowered through the existence of the wind, water, and sand to progress your life with the provisions the Creator of the wind, water, and sand made available for humans to better their life while witnessing His creation on earth, and to acknowledge His worth, to praises Him as the owner of the universe. Be grateful for your business, your handiwork, and the opportunities to better your life and those around you. Today, remember to be kind, respect one another, and acknowledge the Creator's wonders. He's given us the creativity to beautify the earth and the power to forge meaningful lives. Love one another to avoid evil afflictions that rapt with sorry and forgive, that destroying the world today, sorry and forgive are evil in human hearts. From Obi Nnukwu Chineke, also known as the wind, water, and sand, may you find peace, prosperity, and the truth in every breath you take. Happy AFO Day in Igbo land. Onye Ndu Ikuku Achinike, the messenger of the truth afterlife.